Close your eyes and imagine the most intense FPV flight you've ever seen. You're diving off a skyscraper in Chicago, or threading the needle through a narrow canyon in Utah. Usually to capture that, you have to choose. Do you want the raw, aggressive forward-facing view of a traditional drone, or do you want the immersive, reframable freedom of a 360 camera strapped to the top? For years, we've had to choose. But as we stand here in March 2026, DJI has decided that choosing is a thing of the past. The leaks have turned into a flood, the FCC filings are public, and the teaser videos are literally breaking the internet. This is the DJI Avata 360, the first ever hybrid FPV drone that doesn't just look forward, it looks everywhere all at once. We are talking about an 8K spherical powerhouse that can flip from a standard cinewhoop to a full 360-degree capture system with a single click of a button. In this video, we are going to break down the virtual gimbal technology, the leaked Tuninometer 04 Plus transmission system, and why this drone is designed specifically to delete the competition from companies like Insta360. If you are a filmmaker, a hobbyist, or just someone who loves the rush of flight, you need to pay attention. The way we record the world from the sky is about to change forever. Let's start with the revolutionary camera system. The leaks from DJI's internal testing beta show a dual-lens setup that is unlike anything we've seen in the Avata series. Instead of one fixed camera, the Avata 360 features a tilt-rotating module. In standard FPV mode, the camera faces forward, giving you that classic 155-degree ultra-wide view we loved on the Avata 2. But here is the kicker. With a toggle on your motion controller 3, the entire module rotates. Two 1/1.1-inch CMOS sensors. The same glass rumored for the upcoming Osmo 362, aligned to capture a full 8K, 60 frames per second HDR panorama. This isn't just a gimmick. This allows you to fly a complex line and then, in post-production, reframe the shot to look behind you, above you, or even create that iconic tiny planet effect without ever needing to mount a second camera. But why 8K? Because 360-degree video is notorious for losing detail when you zoom into a standard 1080p frame. By jumping to 8K, DJI is ensuring that even when you crop into just 20% of the sphere, your footage remains tack-sharp and professional. The dynamic range is reportedly hitting 14 stops, meaning you can fly from a dark forest into a bright sunset, and the sky won't blow out. This is the Hollywood in your pocket dream realized. Now, let's talk about the virtual gimbal. Traditional drones use a 3-axis mechanical gimbal to keep the horizon level. But for an FPV drone, a mechanical gimbal is a liability. It breaks easily in a crash. The Avata 360 reportedly uses a software-defined gimbal, because it's capturing a full 360-degree sphere of data at all times. The drone doesn't need to physically move the camera to stay level. It uses AI to digitally point the camera. You could be doing a triple backflip or a power loop, and your footage will remain perfectly level and stable, as if the drone were floating on a cloud. This virtual gimbal system is powered by the new H3 processing core, which handles the stitching and stabilization in real time, right on the drone. Let's address the elephant in the room.